Hi there and welcome back to my channel, Full Stack Explorers. In today's video, we will work on integrating the data which we get from the API and show it to our product page. Let's get started now. As we are in the same project, let's remove the console above. In JSX, below fragment, add a curly brackets here. In that curly bracket, we will add a condition here. If we got the products from API, then and only we will map the products, else it won't show anything here. In return, we make a fragment here. In that fragment, we will drag the below code in. Alright, as we have fixed the indentation now, we will not show all the data here as this will not look good without any pagination. Let's slice our data to 20 for now. Alright, now remove the source URL in the image and use the API product.url to show the image. Now remove the static title from below and we will use the dynamic title too. The other things will stay same as our API don't have the data, so we will leave it that way for now. The key will be the product.id. Alright, let's add some width and height in the image to show it properly. Let's check the changes in the browser now. Click on the products page. As you can see, we have 20 products showing in that pages now. Let's show these products two in a row so it's look good. Get back to the project again. Now create a div above the curly brackets. Wrap that div to the curly brackets now. Let's add some styling here. The flex will show products in a row and item center will show in the center of that div. With flex wrap, the product won't go in the flow of same row and will be adjusted according to device width. Alright, now let's check the changes in the browser now. Click on products page again. As you can see, it's looking good now. In the next video, we will work on add to cart functionally in our product page, so user can buy products easily. That's it for now. If you like my videos, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel to support my work. I'll see you guys in the next videos now. Happy coding!